Welcome to a dimple lock that I got from VDE. Yeah, buddy, thank you very much for this lock. It's an IFAM, which is a Spanish brand, and this lock just works very smoothly. No complaints. The bitting on the key is pretty good. We can see very long key pins in number 2 and 4, protecting the shorter ones. And they are actually so deep that I have trouble going underneath with my pick. So usually I would pick it like this, but with these longer key pins I have trouble to go underneath, so I have to go sideways and then pick the shorter key pins like that. Yeah, it's an interesting pick because it doesn't pick like standard pins, but there are also no spools inside, so I believe we have maybe serrated, and for sure we have some T-pins inside. So let's clamp it in a vise and pick it so we can look inside. Alright, here's the lock clamped in the vise. Again, that's the bitting on the key. Lock just works very smoothly. I use a L tensioner and turn the plug to the left in the same direction I would usually open a door, counterclockwise. And this gives me just enough room here on the left side to go in with my pick and not disturbing the very long key pins, because I can go in from the side. If I want so, I can also go in on the right side and work on the pins like that. So let's get started. Okay, I picked it a couple of times before, so I know what to expect. Pin 1 is the first binder. Click and got it. As I said, I go in sideways and see what pins need picking. And then there is a state where most of the pins are set. And then I can go in from the right. Not yet. And finish the job. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that feels good. Most of the pins are set, I believe. Okay, that was 5 or so. Felt a little turn on the plug. I release tension because I think we have to deal with serrated pins, and when the plug has turned a little bit, it's now less likely to overset. But it's hard to feel. Ah, there it's very obvious. Okay, felt a little turn on the plug again. I think it was 5. Now again, no feedback, gradually opens, and haha, we are done. That was pretty cool. Yeah, it's a lot of fun with this lock. So let's see if we can take it apart without making a lot of trouble, without a lot of mess. Yeah, let's see how we can do that. I think I will use a pinning shoe to secure the pins here. That should work all right. Now next I have to remove the clip. Okay, the clip is off. Looks like I bent it quite a lot. So now I think I can just pull out the plug. Okay, pins are here, the key pins. I put the plug to the side. And now I have to insert the front loader. Just like so. Now I can remove the shoe here and okay, I think I'm gutting it the lazy way. You can see how it looks inside. And I'm just turning the front loader so this will eject one pin after the other. Okay, that was pin 6, standard. Pin 5, that's a T-pin. Another T-pin in 4. Another T-pin. Another T-pin. And nothing more, only 5 pins. Okay, I need to extract the springs. That was not very smart. Okay, I should have better taken care for the springs, but there is only one spring mangled a little bit. So no big deal, I can fix this later on or replace the spring by another one. So yeah, I can do that later. But I found the missing pin. Not quite sure if it was one, but one I think was a standard pin. So let's dump out the key pins as well. Let's do it like this. One is a standard. 2 is a standard. Standard. I think these are all standard key pins. All right. Let's have a look at the core, the plug. Very nice round plug, high quality lock for sure. Very, very smooth. Great. Yeah, for the pins, we can see the key pins are all standard. They are now on top. And the drivers are either standard or T-pin shaped very, very nicely. So you can see how you could see how the plug gradually opened. It's because of these reduced diameter pins. Very fun lock to pick. All right, that's all that I can show you on this lock that was given to me by VDE. Yeah, VDE, thanks again for this interesting lock, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching. Happy picking and bye bye.